Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. I'm here with a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this style right here. It's so quick, it's so easy. If you're looking for an protective style to wear and you are new to wearing wigs and you're not into the lace wigs or the closure wigs, this is a great alternative. The only thing is you have to put a little heat in your hair, but nothing a heat protector can't help you with. So if you do want to put heat in your hair, make sure you do use a heat protector. But I will be showing you everything, how I got my hair to look like this. So if you want to see, make sure you continue to watch. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, come on, join the family. Make sure your post notifications are on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. But let's go ahead and get into this wig. Alright guys, so let's get into talking about this U-part wig. I'm going to talk you guys through it. So here's my leave out right here. If y'all want to see my shampoo routine and how I actually braided my hair up, check out this video right here. So we're just going to go ahead and apply the wig. So it comes with clips in the inside. You have 3 clips around the U-part opening. You have an adjustable strap in the back to make the wig actually tighter. And then you have 1 clip at the bottom. So here's what the wig looks like once I have it on. Here's my leave outs, and I just twisted this up. I'm gonna take it a loose. I would go through it with the blow dryer, just don't feel like going to get it. I am going to be using a heat protectant today. I will have this exact one linked down below, so make sure you guys just check out the description box for everything that I am using today. So once this is out, I'm just going to go ahead and spray this hair. Spray my hair right here. So my leave out comes all the way down. It's actually a little longer than this hair, so I pray that it blends really well. These flat irons actually came in the box with the wig, so let's see how they work. Ooh, my hair is actually longer than this. Alright, so with these flat irons right here, the heat is really not too high. I need more heat for my hair. And I just want to do 1 pass through my hair. So I'm actually going to be using my other flat irons. But I think this is good if you just want to get like your little edges and stuff. But the flat iron, like all of this hair, I need my big flat irons. Y'all see my hair is actually longer. But my ends need to be trimmed anyway, so I may cut my hair to match this wig. So my ends need to be trimmed anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and trim this right here. Boom.
Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving.
This product right here is really good for your hair to control frizz. It's a anti-frizz serum, and it's the Sleek and Shine Serum by Garnier. So definitely pick up some of this. You can use it on your hair and also the wig. Y'all see how quick and easy it is to achieve this style. So if you're looking for an affordable U-part wig, I will have it linked down below. And I did curl the hair. When it came, it came in a pack and it was in the bag. So when you get it, you're gonna have to, you know, put flat irons to it. So at first I straightened it out and this is what it looked like. And I really didn't like it worn straight because it does have like layers in the back and it just did not look good to me. So what I did was I went through and I just put like a little bend to the ends, and this is the style that I got, and I am absolutely loving it. It looks so good. It looks so natural. It's spring, summertime. A lot of people don't be wanting to wear no long hair, so this is a great length. The only thing is my leave out, baby. This joker, it will get frizzy. And of course you can go in with your edge control and tame your edges. So I'm getting ready to do that. You can do a little baby hair, whatever you want to do. Alternative if you are like just getting into wigs and you really don't know how to do the lace frontal and the closure wigs, but you want that, you know, protective style. This is a great alternative. The only thing is you would just have to put heat through your hair. They do have U-part wigs that come different textures, so you can get one close to your hair texture, like your curly texture, so you don't have to put any heat in your hair. So it's just all up to you, but I just love this bob look. Like, this is so cute to me. Let me know down below if you guys found this video useful. Of course, check out all the links I have. But yeah, that is it. Just a short, quick video showing you guys how to get a nice protective style. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah.